Greetings, everyone. This is Karen Michelle with Loyalty Royalty Recovery. I have another video for you. But before I get started, for all my newbies, thank you so much for subscribing and joining me on this YouTube channel. For all the new people that are coming to watch this video later, make sure you hit that notification bell, you give me a thumbs up, and you share this video because I'm always dropping wonderful content right here on this page to better you, to better your mind, to better your soul, and to better the generations and generations to come. So y'all, okay, I am like super excited because I have a contract that just came in the mail today. And this is actually a mortgage foreclosure. So let me tell you a little backstory on this. My husband and I have gone hard, like just these 2 weeks alone. We have really buckled down and we have really set some goals on what we want to accomplish within our business this year. And one thing that we talked about is we really want to hit 6 figures. Like that is our goal, is to hit 6 figures this year. And we are like really climbing the chart where it's really happening. And I'm telling you, when you speak those things as if they're not, boy, let me tell you, it will happen. Speak it into the universe. Tell God what it is that you want. Tell him your goals. Write the vision, make it plain. Yes. So y'all, we have been working on this program and we have been really getting a lot of these mortgage foreclosures. And I'm so excited because, my husband, he's really good at his phone calls. Like I can't even measure up to his calls. Like literally, he is so good with his phone calls. I love the way he strategizes, how he speaks to the claimants, how he closes his deals. Like seriously, he never goes by a script. He's just simply amazing. But he has been closing them out all this week, talking to the claimants and getting these cases closed out so we can go recover the funds. So I'm super excited. I'm so grateful for him. He has worked so hard this week, but we did finally get one of our contracts back in the mail. Now, the only reason why we have signed paperwork right here is because a lot of these counties require wet signatures, okay? And so, a lot of us use DocuSign, which is okay at times, but some of the problems that you're going to probably run across sometimes is that the attorney or the court or the county that you're in is going to require a wet signature. So that's when you have to go dig in your magic school bus box, your little bag with your little goodie bag, and you have to start finding a notary in that area because, like I said, you're calling people all over 50 states. So you have to become very familiar with notaries as well in these areas. So, you have to get a notary to go out and get all these documents signed, wet ink signatures, and notarized, especially when you're dealing with your POA and other important documents that the court is going to require a wet signature. So with that being said, oh my gosh, we have made some of the most beautiful relationships with these notaries. I've met a lady named Jada in Virginia. She's amazing. She went out there. She was very prompt. She mailed our documents back like right on time. And y'all, I'm telling you, these notaries are like God sent angels. Like you don't understand how much you need them until you need them. Okay. And to be honest, if I can do it that way, I honestly would do it that way. I would get wet ink signatures because the thing with DocuSign, it's an electronical signature. So they kind of adopt a signature and it's not technically really their signature. And you don't know if that's going to be a situation you're going to run into when you submit your documents to the attorney or when the attorney submits the documents to the judge, to the court. And that's just going to hold up the process now because now your claimant's like, well, I already signed. I already DocuSigned. Now you're making me sign these documents again. So to kind of like skip all of that, I'm like so down for getting a wet ink signature. I am so down for sending a notary out there to get all of this done for me. It's so worth it. At the end of the day, you have to look at your percentage, how much you're making off of this deal. And what you're paying a notary, that's nothing. It's pennies on the dollar. Like, seriously, it's pennies. It's nothing. So that is my testimony on that. Get a notary if you have to. If you have to, make it easy for yourself and for the claimant to get a notary. So with that being said, y'all, I'm a notary and I'm located here in Dallas, Texas. And so if you have any deals here in Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth area, you know, we can't leave Fort Worth out. Fort Worth Metroplex area. Y'all, I'm a mobile notary. If you need wet ink signatures, I am the girl for the job. I am able to go out there and get that taken care of for you. Why? Because I am very familiar with the paperwork and I'm very familiar with what has to be done and how it has to be done correctly so we can close these deals. So I just wanted to do this quick video really quick because I'm so excited about this contract that came in. We already got the wet signatures. We already got the information off to the attorney. We've already made copies. We keep our files here at home, filed away, safe, so we know how to keep up with our cases and whatnot. But I'm just super excited because this is like one of our first mortgages. A lot of the cases we've been working has been tax foreclosures. So this is our first mortgage foreclosure. So I'm like super stoked about this. I can't wait to really get some skin in the game with this so I can teach others how we were able to obtain this information and get it closed out, because it is different from tax. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Mortgage foreclosure and tax foreclosure, they're different. They require different documents. They require different things, and you know, different counties. It's a little different. So I'm not gonna say that they are the same. So I just wanted to come through really quick and do this video just to spread some love to you guys and shed some light on you guys. I love you. Again, thank you guys for following me on this page. Oh, before I go, oh my God, how am I going to get on here and start talking and then I don't even tell y'all? Oh, listen, Saturday, July the 29th is the Dallas Roundup Brunch. We are meeting up for brunch. Not only are we having brunch, but I'm going to be going over some wonderful information and resources for those that have been interested in getting into the surplus overage business, or they're already in the business but need a little refresher to get that little poof, get back going again. You know, you need that little push to keep going. You need some motivation. You need a group. You need some people that are going to, you know, help you and walk you through it, and you can call them, and you know, that support group. So we will be doing that on Saturday, July the 29th. And I will disclose the location, which it is downtown Dallas, but I will disclose that information on where exactly we're going to be at once you take care of your registration, which is only $75, okay? $75, okay? $75, okay? We're going to blow that in one little at the dollar store, okay? At Walmart. We're going to blow that like already. That's already $75 already gone. Okay, so don't focus too much on the cost. Think of the value. Think of the investment that you're putting into yourself. Look at that, okay? Think positive when you hear that $75. Come on, don't trip. You got to get out of your own way, and you got to tell your mental, stop tripping. $75 ain't nothing. I don't blew that on like nonsense, like don't trip. So I hope to see you guys there. A lot of people that are not in Dallas that would love to attend. We're going to be doing a crash course on, you know what? I'm so messed up. We're going to be doing a crash course actually the day before the meetup. So I'm going to have that set up. That's going to be Friday, July the 28th. We're going to do a crash course online via Zoom for those that are not in Dallas. So I'm going to be doing Friday, and then we're going to have brunch Saturday. So for more information, I'll drop that in the bottom of this video, because for me to just sit here and try to remember all of the stuff is like, yeah, no, can't. I got a lot going on here, y'all. But anyway, thank you guys again. If you are new to this channel, make sure that you hit that notification bell, you give me a thumbs up, and you share this video, okay? Because I'm going to come back with you guys and give you some more good information that you can use, okay? Because it's winning season, y'all. It's room at the table for all of us. All right? Peace and love. Bye.